Hello and good after morning. My name is Art. Thank you for joining me on another quick tutorial. Today's video will be on how to add quick messages. Quick messages make it easy to insert simple information into messages like a common greeting or a specific set of instructions instead of typing it out multiple times. From the dashboard, click on Quick Chat. On the left side of the screen, you will be presented with a quick form. Please enter your contact's first name, last name, and mobile number. The text channel number will already be filled in. If not, please contact support. Click on Start Chat. In the chat row, click on Quick Message and then select Add or Edit Message. A new box will pop up with our Quick Messages Manager. On the next screen, you can click on Add New and create a new message. After you have added a few quick messages, you can return to the quick message icon in the chat row and you should see your quick message. Click on your quick message to add it to the chat box. To delete an unwanted quick message, click on the trash can next to the desired message. Thanks for joining me on another quick tutorial for Art of Chat. If you need support, please contact support or visit our knowledge base. Thank you for watching.